Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Psycho Girlfriend Refuses to Leave Ex's House and Finds Out. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Hopefully this... I just took myself off the audio, man. Hopefully this is a good one.
Get out of the car.
What am I doing wrong?
Stop. Hey, I'm gonna tase you. Get out.
Okay.
Get out now before I'm gonna dry stun you. Slide on. Get in the car or I'm gonna tase you. We're on the other side. I'm tired.
Today on Uncovered, this woman goes absolutely crazy and refuses to leave when police tell her she isn't allowed to harass her ex-boyfriend anymore.
What's the issue? What's the issue?
I live here. This young lady keeps coming to my property.
She what?
She keeps coming to my property.
Who is she to you?
She's an ex that I used to date.
She's your ex?
Yeah.
What's the issue?
There is none.
What's that?
Nothing.
Okay, why are you here?
Well, this was the closest place I could come. My mother was driving me and I was intoxicated.
You're intoxicated?
No.
You said your mother was driving and you were intoxicated.
No.
Isn't that what you just said?
No, I think you misunderstood.
Okay, what did you say then? Okay, I'm gonna stop you right there. Who's going to come here and pick you up right now? Where do you live?
Hello?
Where do you live?
I live here.
Okay.
Does she live here?
Does she live here?
No.
She doesn't?
No.
Where do you live at? Okay, listen. I'm going to be completely honest with you. It's 4:07 in the morning. I am way too tired to be dealing with this nonsense right now. Okay? So, let's not make this any harder than it has to be.
Where does she live, bud?
Where do you live? Alright, get out.
Come on.
Get out.
Why don't you tell me where you live? Why are you being stuck there?
Where do you live at? Where do you live?
Hello?
Ladies, are you guys crashing out over a guy like this? My brother, man. You know what time it is, man. Got her crashing out. Bro laying it down. She can't live without it. She need him, She's strung out, yeah. She's strung out. You feel me? Like, that's what it is. That's gotta be the only reason she would be bugging out like this, man. Stalking the man. He done created a stalker. Oh man, this is bad news, man. But more power to that brother, man. He doing this thing.
Why are you being like this? Why won't you answer me? Like, do you want to get locked up or something?
You want her out of here, I guess? I was asleep.
Do you
You
want to
were not asleep. You've been out here with me for about 2-3 hours. You were not asleep.
get locked up? Or what do you...
I don't.
Okay, well then where do you live?
In Warren.
In Warren. Okay, who's going to come pick you up?
She live in Warren?
Nobody.
Well, how are you going to get home? You're not going to drive because you just told me you're intoxicated. How are you going to get home?
I'm not.
Okay, well, you're not staying here and you're not driving.
Okay.
So how are you going to get home?
I can make a call.
Go ahead, make a call.
21 Queen 00.
I'm just waiting.
I don't have nobody to call.
Okay, so then
Do
how
you
are you going to...
arrest me? Like, I don't
No,
know
I
what you
really-
want me to say.
I really
Like,
don't
I
wanna-
have nothing for
Here's...
you.
Okay, I really don't want to arrest you. Don't push me. Okay? I really don't want to arrest you. As I said, it's 10 after 4 in the morning. Okay, I'm off work in less than 2
I have
hours.
nobody to call.
Okay, so I'm asking you to give me something here. I'm trying to give you an out.
I have nothing for you.
Okay, I'm trying to give you an out. I'm trying to help you out.
I don't have a way out.
Who's
My mom.
Where's she at right now?
She's
Well,
gone.
Well, so obviously
Not
you.
around.
What did you say?
She's not around.
You say not around? Okay. Do you have any family in Youngstown? Any friends in Youngstown? Somewhere that I can take you for the night? Well, you better think of something because you're not driving this car and you're not staying
I'm
here.
gonna tow it.
I mean, I'm not even joking with you. I will literally tow your car and take you to the rescue mission. I mean, you're not driving it and you're not staying here.
Your phone's right there.
She says she has nobody to call.
Where's
I don't.
Where's your mom at?
She's at home with my daughter, but
Where's that at in Warren?
That's what she-
I'm glad you got what you wanted.
Yeah, imagine.
I will be done.
Is your where is home in Warren? Why is the car registered? It's registered. That's so I'm just confused. Don't start the car. Don't start the car.
Are you gonna shoot me?
No, I'm not going to shoot you. If you back out of here, I'm going to arrest you.
I'm not gonna back out.
Do not put that car in drive. Shut it off. Don't tempt me. Okay. Shut the car off. Okay. Open the car.
Should have called the police.
Shut the car off.
Don't be stupid.
I'm going to try to reach through the other side and shut the car off. No, the other
I
side.
give it all.
Okay, Sade, cool. Do that. Because you and I here.
It's in drive, Bob. It's in drive. Open it. Put the car in park.
I can't.
Put it in park.
I'm gonna
I'll
break
give
your
it all.
window.
Put it in park.
I'll give it all.
What?
I'll give it my all.
Put the car in
My
park.
life, my
Listen,
child.
don't put it in.
Everything.
Don't.
Oh yeah, she ready. She said, I give it all. She ready to go. She said, I give it all up. Damn, he got her strung out like that. Yo, she said, I'm ready to risk it all. That's crazy. I see why bruh got away from her though. I don't know if he the baby father and all that. Probably not. But dang, that's insane. She said, I'm ready to risk it all. She ready to go. That's insane. That means you putting this man over your child. You know what I'm saying? Man, you got to think about your kid in situations like this, baby. Because you definitely going to jail, boy. This is how this is going to go.
Back up. Back up. I don't want you to get hurt. She's got the car in drive.
This is what you wanted?
Put the car in park.
No, it's what you
came here
wanted.
to damage my property, Sade. Be real. Come on now.
I'm gonna break your
Did
window.
I damage your property?
Hey, he's gonna break your window.
What did I damage?
Put the car in park.
Keep playing. Keep
Put your
playing.
car in park.
Put the car in park.
Will you kill me?
No, I will not. Put the car in park. He's gonna break your window,
It
And
takes
then-
one pop.
and then you're gonna go to jail. Put the car in park.
No.
Put the
No.
car in park.
I'm going to give it my all.
Put the car in park. And then step out.
Ridiculous.
This is absolutely ridiculous at 4 a.m. Put the car in park. Put the car in park and shut it off. Put it in park and shut it off. Shut the car off. Shut it off. We're almost there. You're almost there.
207.
Shut it off and take the key out.
207.
Step out. Stop reaching around.
For the community kitchen.
What's up with you? What
Stop reaching.
Do you want to shoot me?
No, I don't.
Copy. Car 109, you want to head over
Step
there?
out of the car.
Shoot me then.
She's reaching for something over there. I don't know what she is. Grab her. Grab her. Get out.
Copy.
Get out.
Mr. Man.
Just pull her out of the car.
I do not want to hurt you.
Step out.
No. You're threatening me.
I do
feel
not wanna
very
hurt her.
threatened.
Get her out.
That's it. Let's take it.
Step out.
Taser.
Get her together. She don't want to act right. They gonna get you to act right. Showtime. This is what I've been waiting on.
I'll taser.
Step out. I can't.
You should have called the police.
You should have never came to my property. Talking about you? Oh, you wanna call me? You don't want to come in here telling me you wanna break my property, bro? What are you talking about? That's I know you called the cops last time, right? And they give false accusations. So stop playing like that. What you talking about?
No.
Get out.
No.
Get out of the car.
What am I doing wrong?
And first off, they need to back him up back to the goddamn porch because he's instigating her. Talking about some, like, they gotta have better control over the situation. Both of them are just focused on her, where one of them needs to be backing him up, back on that goddamn porch. You right there, the cops can't even maneuver because you trying to argue with the chick. Come on, man.
Nah, stop. Hey, I'm gonna tase you. Get out.
Okay.
Get out now before I'm gonna dry stun you.
Turn around.
Turn
face
around.
the car. Put your hands behind your back.
Why?
Get on your stomach.
I am.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm gonna tase you.
Put your hands
I'm
behind your
telling
back.
you. I don't want to do it. I don't want to fight a girl.
Give me your other hand.
No.
Put your other hand back here.
You guys just cooperate. 204, can you send a hook?
Copy, 204.
Oh, she does have a big rock in there. You are lying.
What's she up?
Big old rock right there.
I'm glad you guys just won it.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I'm glad
Stand
you
up.
got it. Get off the way.
No, we're gonna tow it.
I'm going to go. She have her kids to live for. I don't know why she's so f***ing stubborn, bro.
Oh, she's being dumb.
Yeah, like my mama used to say, young, dumb, and full of cum, man. Idiots.
Lean up against the car. Lean against the car.
She crashed out for real, for real.
Lean this way. Turn this way.
I'm better than Army. Yeah.
Slide in the car. Get in the car. Get in. All the way in. Slide on.
Get in the car or I'm gonna tase you.
Go around the other side.
I'm tired of running here.
Slide in. All the way in.
She got a vape on her. Drop your vape. She got a vape on her. I can't get it out of her hand.
Turn, face me. Lean this way. Can you grab it?
No.
I'm gonna tase you. That's it.
Why?
All right, here we go.
No.
You ready? Drop it.
No.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Get your feet in there.
Wait.
Put your feet in the car.
Yeah. Just ridiculous. And they sound dumb for keep saying, I'm gonna tase you. Oh, here we come. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you. Like, come on. It's either you're gonna do it or you're not. You don't keep saying it 1,000 times to try to get them to react. You say it, they don't do what you want to do, you tase them. That's it. Like, you just look goofy, keep going back and forth like that.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.